Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bio Classes. Today we will study another small topic of endocrinology, parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland as a endocrine gland. The parathyroid glands originated from embryonic endoderm. These are originated from embryonic endoderm. These are situated on the posterior surface of the thyroid lobes. These are the thyroid gland, and in the posterior surface we will find 4 parathyroid glands is present in the posterior surface of the thyroid lobes. The parathyroids are 4 small flat oval glands, 2 on each side. The cells of parathyroids are arranged in a compact mass and are of 2 types: small chip cells and large oxyphil cells. It has 2 types of cells, chip cells and oxyphil cells. The cells are enclosed by a delicate connective tissue capsule. Then the hormones of the parathyroid gland. Hormones. The parathyroid secrete parathormone, also called the Colles hormone, after its discoverer. One hormone is secreted from the parathyroid gland, or a single hormone, that is known as the parathormone. Parathormone and thyroid hormone calcitonin act antagonistically to regulate the calcium phosphorus balance in the blood. The release of parathormone increases blood calcium to normal by drawing calcium from the bones into the plasma, by increasing calcium absorption in the digestive tract, and by reducing loss of calcium in the urine. It lowers blood phosphate by increasing elimination of phosphate in the urine. Proper calcium phosphorus balance is necessary for the growth of bones and teeth. Calcium is vital for blood clotting, for muscle tone, and for normal nervous activity. It is also needed for the activities of many enzymes. Feedback control. Parathyroid are under the feedback control of blood calcium level. A fall in blood calcium level stimulates them to secrete parathormone, which restores blood calcium level. A rise in blood calcium level inhibits secretion of parathormone. Concentration of calcium and phosphorus in the blood is effectively maintained by parathormone and calcitonin. Disorders of the parathyroid gland. Hypoparathyroidism. Hyposecretion or undersecretion of parathormone lowers concentration of calcium ions in the blood and tissues due to excretion of calcium in urine. This increases the excitability of nerves and muscles, causing cramps and convulsions. Sustained contractions or tetany of the muscles of the larynx, face, hands and feet are produced. This disorder is known as parathyroid tetany. Hyposecretion of the parathormone also raises the level of phosphate ion in the plasma by reducing phosphate excretion. Next, the hyperparathyroidism or excess secretion of parathormone. Hypersecretion of parathormone draws more calcium from the bones, resulting in their softening, bending and fracture. This condition is called osteoporosis. It is common in women who have reached menopause. A rise in blood calcium level may cause deposition of calcium in the kidney tubules and other soft tissues. This is about parathyroid gland, which is a endocrine gland which secretes its hormones, the one hormone, that is parathormone. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.